Mention cruise ships to many people, and the first image that pops into their mind may be one of those huge liners that can often be seen in city ports. These massive vessels can cater for thousands of holidaymakers at one time. They can also be several stories high and have extensive entertainment and catering facilities, including cabarets, casinos, cinemas, and restaurants providing cuisines from all around the world. Some people love this sort of mass appeal, though others don't. If you are in the latter category, then perhaps a river cruise might be more attractive. They are very different from their high seas cousins. Cruising the waterways of Europe. For a start, the vessels are much smaller and many are actually flat-bottomed barges, which makes navigating those canals and rivers that much easier. A small boat means fewer people and a more intimate atmosphere. You could expect to see between 6 and 20 people on typical cruises of this nature, as well as an experienced crew and a top chef, of course. There may be a mixture of cabins and suites available, though as you would expect from the overall size of the boat, these may be modestly sized. However, don't by any means assume this means your accommodation will be spartan and uncomfortable, because nothing could be further from the truth. If you want to continue with the cruise ship hotel analogy, then you could compare a river cruise with a stay in a luxurious small country inn. They're not dubbed floating hotels for nothing. So what else can you expect from European river cruises? Italy, to take just one example, is a favorite destination, particularly the cruise that takes you from the canals of Venice to the historic town of Mantua or vice versa. When it comes to river cruises, Italy is one of the fastest growing destinations for these trips, and there are plenty of reasons why, including the spectacular countryside and delicious cuisine. While you are sailing gently through the spectacular countryside, your chef will be busy preparing regional delicacies, and you can sample some of the delicious wines and liquors that the region is justifiably famous for. Stewed donkey is just one such delicacy, and you may expect a selection of pastas stuffed with a variety of veggies, meat and cheeses, as well as a wide range of local fish. Sparkling wines are the regional speciality, and still wines include Nebbiolo and Tejano di Lugano. Experienced operators of these river barges are aware that guests may welcome the opportunity to explore their surroundings, so some carry cycles, which are available to those who may also appreciate the chance for a bit of exercise. Organized tours with knowledgeable guides may typically also be available to ensure guests can make the most of the sights and experiences of Venice and Mantua, plus the other interesting towns and cities along the River Po route. Just one notable example is the market at Chioggia. From the canals of Venice to the historic city of Mantua is just one example of European river cruises. Italy is a fantastic place to explore from the water, and you'll be spoiled for choice in terms of things to see and do.